Hello and welcome to Rally Race Guys. This will be the second episode of phase 2 of Budget Paint Room. We stopped filming, as you saw, as behind me it looks slightly different, which I'll show you in a second. We had a lot going on because Ryan was bringing stuff in, the door was open, and it just kept a lot of background noise, and it wasn't really flowing, so we just sort of ended it there. But today we have got some more wood just on my feet and over there that my dad's brought from doing his house up, and we've got more tools and we've got more power tools and stuff for this, but at the moment I'm waiting on Ryan to come up so we can pull his car out, so we've got a bit more of a space to work. Then we'll pull down the existing frame, or look at it, decide what we want to do, and the dimensions, which we have some in mind, but I'm just going to confirm them with Ryan. Then we'll pull it down, then we'll we'll put the next frame up, and then go from there. But yeah, we've got some good plans about this place, but this is step 1 of these plans. But yeah, I'll show you the paint room. Okay, so now I'm in the paint room, as you can see behind me. You've just seen some shots of the paint room and what the frame actually looks like, which is quite bad, to say the least. We aren't 100% happy with it, so that's why we wanted to do it. As you can see, literally this is the frame. So as you can see, the big void, or you did see the big void, but that big void there is 1 metre by 700mm, so that is quite a big void, and the only thing that was there was a piece of plywood and a piece of cardboard. That was it, and I was resting car parts on that, so that's why it was so sketchy. If you have a look here, so this piece of wood here isn't a complete piece of wood. Look, it's got a number plate done to it. It's got some plasterboard screws in it to attach it to this next piece of wood, which is only this much, which it's beginning to crack here. And this piece here is okay. That's screwed down. This piece, okay, to give you a relation, that's my finger. I'm going to push it up now. That's not secured by anything. Then that piece is a little bit better. And yeah, so we're going to seriously sort this out now, because this is incredibly unsafe, and I can't believe I was actually walking on this. But yeah, we've got some posts and some other wood, and we've got some wood there, and we've got the new piece of wood, but hopefully we'll get a good shot at it today. So first things first, I've got to tidy this up a bit so we've got a bit more room to work. Yeah, I don't know where to start, so I think I'm going to start by moving some of this so I can get into there and get the tripod out, and then move some of this, which is all the car parts, onto the racking so they don't get damaged, and then we'll be able to move some of this stuff that's around here and in here and everything into this space, and then we can use that space to work. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see behind me, we've got the frame back up. So we had a bit of an issue with lack of wood and lack of length of wood, so we've had to just put about 25 centimetres into there, and we had a bit of an up bit there, but that's about a budget paint booth for you. It's a little bit smaller, it's not exactly how small I wanted it, but we'll do what we had to because we didn't really want to move that plug. But yeah, we're well on the way. So we're going to tackle the roof next time, but because of the difference between that beam and that beam, we've got to put a spacer in there. So we've got to do that all the way across and put beams across. But yeah, so we've got to tidy up now. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.